Hello everyone, today I want to bring to your attention this very unique special book, which is a comic book written entirely in Nahuatl. The book is called Nahuatl, written by Jan Garcia. And wow, just look at these images. The illustrations in this book are gorgeous. I love it. So the story is written in Nahuatl. All the stories are written in Nahuatl, but then when you look on the side, there is the English translation. There's also a Nahuatl Spanish version of this. The book contains 8 stories in about the span of 200 pages. There's also a Tzotzil version, a Raramuri version, and a Yucatec Maya version of this book. This book is great if you're a Nahuatl language student and you want to learn words in their context because you learn them in a story.